Hello, welcome you all to my YouTube channel, that is Maglan. Today I am here with the topic of goodwill. At the time of admission of a partner, we have to do the calculation of goodwill, and also we need to distribute among the partners. So as you can see here, the meaning of goodwill is mentioned. Goodwill means the good name or reputation earned by a firm through the hard work and honesty of its owners. Yes, goodwill means the good name which is earned by the business by doing its work honestly and sincerely. Thus, goodwill is the value of the reputation of the firm. So it is the value of the reputation which enables it to earn higher profits. So goodwill enables the firm to earn more and more profit. Now, what are the factors affecting the goodwill? Now, first factor is mentioned here is favorable location of the business. Yes, location of the business plays an important role. Plays a very important role. It affects the goodwill of the firm. Second one is efficiency of management. Yes, if the management is efficient, it means it brings in goodwill for the business. The nature of goods, risk involved. Yes, the amount of risk which is involved in the business also affects the goodwill. Then future competition, capital requirements. So these are the factors which affects the valuation of goodwill. Now, what is the need for valuation of goodwill? When there is a change in the profit sharing ratio among the existing partners. So whenever there is a change in the profit sharing ratio among the partners, so in that case the valuation of goodwill is done. Then whenever a new partner is admitted, in that case also goodwill valuation is done. Whenever a partner retires or dies, whenever the firm is sold, or whenever the firm is amalgamated with another firm. So these are the conditions on which the need for valuation of goodwill arises. So now we will discuss the methods in the valuation of goodwill. So first method is the average profit method, and I had given you the formula here: goodwill equal to average profit into number of years of purchase. Then we have the super profit method. So this is the super profit method. You can see the formula. If required, you can take the screenshot of this. And then we have the capitalization method. Under capitalization method, we have two methods. That is, first is capitalization of average profit, and then capitalization of super profit. So these are the methods which are involved in the valuation of goodwill. So stay tuned for more videos. We'll stop here today. Thank you for watching.